guys. Look at this. Whoever drawn that is stupid. Just gonna chill here because I'm the king. Every time when I get out, I'm up here. Look at how beautiful that is. The water is brown, bro. Look at that splash. I can see inside of it.